Hilarious video shows naughty woman desperately seducing TV repairman. There are instances that we are caught in the middle of temptation and most of the time gave in. However, this TV repairman did the opposite after being seduced by a female client, a chance most men wouldn't miss. Caught on cam, the footage shows the woman, wearing just a t-shirt and a thong, calmly entertaining the TV repairman. However, as soon as the repairman started checking the TV, the woman also started doing something inappropriate.